This cat always comes in front of my house and she waits for me to feed her something every day. And she's so cute
Oh.
and I really love her. I really miss my cat in Bangladesh, and she makes me feel really lively here as I don't have my cat over here, and
এই
it's
যে নাও।
very upsetting for me that because I miss him. So when I see her, some of my pain gets reduced, and I'm very happy every day looking at her and feeding her. There are more few other cats over here who also comes and visits me. I love them. এত সুন্দর বিড়ালগুলা, মানে দেখলেই মন
টুকুস
জুড়ায় যায়, এত ভালো লাগে।
কেন
কি সুন্দর করে খায়, কথা শুনে, ওকে পেট, যে আমি ওকে পেট করতেছি, অনেক ভালো লাগে ওদের দেখলে, অনেক খুশি লাগে। আরেকজন আসছে, মহারানী, ও একটু বয়স্ক,